My name is Jakub Pszeniczny. I am Application Manager in CryoXpert, the medical division of Dohmeyer. I have 10 years of experience in the cryogenic industry. As a CryoXpert, we specialize in the advanced freezing technologies for pharmaceutical industry. We provide reliable, ultra-low temperature solutions to support the production process, handling, storage, and transport. As a CryoXpert, we participate the second time. The first time was 1 year ago, but personally, I'm a first time, and it looks very amazing. The one big challenge for a very sensitive product is the storage and transport. Cryogenic technology allows to store a very sensitive project in the ultra-low temperatures. That means the pharmaceutical industry should invest in a better cold storage systems and work closely with the technology providers, like us. The gene and cell therapies are the most exciting development right now. They offer hope for treating very serious diseases, but also require a very special handling. Cryogenic seems to be very crucial here because it offers storing product in a very low temperatures. It keeps these therapies safe and effective by storing them in the ultra-low temperatures. Our personal manager was Victoria. She did a great job. Everything was well organized, and our collaboration was very smooth since the very beginning.